Hello everyone, your favorite chef is here, and today we're gonna prepare Greek style stuffed peppers with chicken and cheese. Drizzle some olive oil and add chicken breast. Then we're gonna make Greek sauce with milk and sour cream. Combine that together, and also to make softer our chicken breast. Then we're gonna add garlic powder, combine that, and then we're gonna add parsley and oregano, also combine that until you get nice texture of chicken and Greek sauce. Put spray on it, and then we're gonna place peppers and fill up with our sauce. And also we're gonna add a cheese, lots of cheese. Place that in oven for 250 degrees or 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. For 10 to 15 minutes. Pull up our peppers, and then that's all. Just serve on plate and enjoy the beautiful recipe. I hope guys that you enjoy.